Welcome to Gatsby Ninja, the premier web development company specializing in Gatsby and React. At Gatsby Ninja, we understand the importance of having a website that not only looks great, but also performs well. That's why we use Gatsby and React, the cutting-edge technology for building fast and responsive websites. Gatsby is a static site generator that allows for lightning-fast load times, while React, a JavaScript library, provides a powerful and flexible way to build user interfaces. Together, they create a dynamic and seamless experience for your users. Our team of experienced developers will work closely with you to create a website tailored to your specific needs. From design to development, we will ensure that your website not only looks great, but also functions seamlessly. So why wait? Trust Gatsby Ninja to build your next website with Gatsby and React and give your users the best online experience possible. Contact us today to get started.